Unsure what ChatGPT is or does? In this video, I'm going to present 3 game-changing prompts that will save you time and money. I'm Sam from Elite Agent, and today I'm going to walk you through 3 of my favorite prompts tailored specifically for real estate agents. These are tools you can utilize in your business immediately. Firstly, in real estate, it's not recommended that you purchase names and addresses to build your database from an unknown provider. Instead, you should aim to have clients, potential clients, subscribe to your email list by offering them valuable information. To help with that, you can use ChatGPT to create a lead magnet. For instance, you could ask, could you give me 10 lead magnet ideas for real estate agents? And here we have 10 excellent lead magnet ideas, including a home buyer's guide and a home evaluation report. You might be wondering how to create these resources without investing a significant amount of time and effort, and ChatGPT has got you here too. One of my favorite prompts is about market updates, and you'll see in this example that ChatGPT has done a reasonable job of creating a template, but of course you need to customize it with your own information so that it delivers value to your clients. Finally, for this video, let's examine a third prompt. Suppose I need content for my website. I might ask, as a real estate agent, I'd like you to provide the pros and cons of sale for auction versus private treaty versus EOI or any of the other methods you can think of, including some of the popular methods here in Australia. Please write me a blog post on the pros and cons of each, as if a potential seller might read it. And let's see what ChatGPT generates. As you can see, it provides a good pros and cons of auction, private treaty and more, which you can tailor to your unique style. If you're interested in more time and money saving tips for real estate agents using ChatGPT, visit my personal blog at aicebreakers.com for tools and resources designed just for you. Don't forget to check out our in-person ChatGPT workshops for real estate professionals, where you can learn how to truly harness the power of AI to save valuable time in your marketing. Check out more at eliteagent.com/ChatGPT. And remember, always say please and thank you to the robot.